Hi everyone, myself I'm Dr. Lolith V Lokeshwar. I'm a consultant orthopedic surgeon working in maAx Super Specialty Hospital, Shivamogga, and I have expertise in treating sports-related injuries through arthroscopically. That means keyhole surgeries where we do minimally invasive surgeries, where we treat all the ligament and meniscal injuries of the knee joints and labral rotator cuff tears of the shoulder. Also, we specialize in treating all the arthritis patient, both knee and hip, both in a conservative or the lifestyle management, and some severe cases where they require primary or the revision joint replacement procedures. We are doing here. In maAx, we have a very well equipped 24/7 running emergency department and a very well modular operative theaters and around the clock anesthesia and critical care team and the pain management team, where we do all the high-end surgeries, both joint replacements and arthroscopic procedures for the patient. And also orthopedics means we need a physiotherapy department. We have a well-equipped physiotherapy department where we require for the post-operative rehabilitation. Finally, our motto is to combine our expertise to provide specialized services of highest degree to our patients of malnourished region. Thank you.